Hi, I would like to invite you to the Brotzman Lectures at the 5th of April at Tyndale Theological Seminary. Our theme for this study day will be the Bible and the words of Jesus. Now, I notice often that folk have a very disjointed view of the books of the New Testament. There are the letters written by Paul and John and Peter, etc. And then there are the Gospels, and the two have very little in common. The Jesus of the epistles seems to be different from the Jesus of the Gospels. And that is the theme we are going to think about. We are going to look at what happened to the words of Jesus between the time they were spoken for the first time and the time that they were written down in the Gospels. And how did the teaching of Jesus influence what the apostles wrote in their letters? The New Testament is not silent about how and why it came into being. In fact, it mentions quite a lot about the reasons why it was written down. And we're going to have a careful look at these passages. We will ask questions such as, how did the church remember the words of Jesus? Did they start to write things down immediately? How did Paul used the gospel stories when he wrote his letters. And why are the four gospels so different and at the same time so similar? Now, the outcome of this study will be that we will have learned to see the unity of the New Testament that we may have missed before, how the letters and the gospels relate closely together. It will enrich our reading of the Bible because we see more connections. It will help our preaching because we see more of Jesus. And it will help our historical understanding of why the New Testament has the shape that it has now in our Bibles. See you on the 5th of April. Thank you.